Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic computer networks, including LANs, WANs, and the internet. What are computer networks? A computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and devices that can share resources and communicate with each other. These networks enable data exchange, resources sharing, and collaboration among users and devices. Computer networks can vary in size and complexity, and they are classified into different types based on their scope and geographical coverage. Types of computer networks. There are three main types of computer networks. LANs connect device in a small area. WANs connect device across long distances. And the internet connects computers worldwide. Advantages of computer networks: facilitate communication among users, share resources such as printers and files, increase efficiency and productivity. LANs. LAN stand for local area network. Scope. LANs are typically confined to a small geographical area, such as a single building, office, or campus. Topologies. LANs can use various topologies, including star, bus, ring, and mesh. Speed. LANs often operate at high speeds, such as 1 Gbps or 10 Gbps. Examples: home networks, office networks, school networks. LANs are designed for fast and efficient communication among devices within a limited area. They are commonly used for sharing resources like printers and file servers. WANs. WANs stand for Wide Area Network. Scope. WANs coverage larger geographical areas such as cities, countries, or even continents. Connectivity. WANs connect LANs and other smaller networks over long distances using various communication links, including leased lines, optical fiber, and satellite links. Speed. WANs may have varying speeds depending on the technology and distance involved. Examples: the internet and corporate networks spanning multiple locations. WANs enable long distance communication between LANs and are essential for connecting users and organizations globally. The internet itself is the largest example of a WAN. The internet. The internet is a global network of networks that connects billions of devices and computers worldwide. It is the most extensive and interconnected WAN. Here are key characteristics of the internet. Global reach. The internet spans the entire globe, connecting LANs, WANs, and individual devices across countries and continents. Packet switching. Data on the internet is broken down into small pockets for efficient transmission. These packets are routed independently through various network nodes and reassembled at their destination. Protocols. The internet relies on a set of communication protocols such as TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, to enable data exchange and ensure reliable delivery. Services. The internet offers a wide range of services including email, web browsing, file sharing, social networks, online gaming, and more. Security. Security is a significant concern on the internet, and various measures like encryptions and firewalls are employed to protect data and users. Content distribution. The internet hosts vast amount of information, including websites, multimedia contents, and databases accessible through web browser and search engines. E-commerce, the internet facilitates online shopping, financial transactions, and electronic commerce, enabling businesses to operate globally. Thank you for joining me on this journey through computer networks, including LANs, WANs, and the internet. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.